Hello guys, this is me Vivan again, and today I'm going to show one of my wins that is my it's versus 2000. Hi guys, this is me Vivan, and I'm going to show you this game I played. It's a Stockfish 6 and how I won. Let's start. So E4, D5, takes, knight F6, pawn D4 by stockfish, takes, and bishop C4, attacking the knight. Oh sorry, I'm black or white. I think I'm white. No, black. I'm black. Yeah, I'm black. Then after that, F5, bishop 5. Then knight F3, C6, and A3. Knight to B6, attacking the bishop, and then bishop D3. Bishop G6, bishop E3, bishop E7, and after pawn to E6 castles and bishop E7. Fun fact, I won this game in only 19 moves. So now takes here, queen to E2, now queen to D5, threatening, queen here, double upping on the H file. So this will be checkmate to the king. So that's why knight D2 by stockfish 6. I don't know why. After that, knight to E4, which is a blunder because here after knight E4, pawn push, knight back, here, takes, here. So what happened? Why is knight E4 is a blunder? Because pawn is 5. Knight to G3, queen to H7, and now pawn push is coming, and if takes, knight takes is coming, attacking the knight. So obviously stockfish didn't play that. I'm amazed because he played rook to E1. I don't know why. That's why I took advantage. Takes, and now what can stockfish touch? He can only take because this. Sorry, wait. This is just equal. I don't understand why. How did stockfish play that move? I don't know, but after knight here took my knight and eventually got checkmated like this. So bye guys, this was my game was a stockfish 6 and how I defeated a 2300 rated computer.